Well, good morning, and I'm here today on behalf of the Attorney General's Office to launch Operation Homestead. This is an aggressive effort by my office to crack down on all types of mortgage fraud and scams in Kansas. The Attorney General's Office has been working on cases in this area for some time, but this operation will be a continuation of those earlier efforts and also a new effort to prey on Kansans, to prey on those who are preying on Kansans at their most vulnerable time. As part of Operation Homestead, I have taken legal action against 5 companies. I'm also working to provide financial assistance to certain countrywide mortgage consumers as part of an earlier settlement with that company, and we are increasing the educational resources available to Kansans who are struggling with mortgage problems and financial difficulty. The lawsuits are aimed at businesses that I allege are defrauding Kansans by running redemption rights scams and loan modification scams. In several of these cases, the consumers have lost their homes and ended up much worse financially than they were before they received the help of these companies. 2 of the defendants we're bringing cases against operate redemption rights scams. These companies buy a homeowner's mortgage redemption rights, then they'll often lease the house back to a homeowner, and then when the homeowner can't afford to buy the house back at the end of the redemption right period, the company will sell the house for a significant profit. These companies are Apple Asset LLC in Overland Park and Rush Properties LLC in Olathe, Kansas. 3 of the defendants we brought action against today allegedly operate loan modification scams. These companies offer to negotiate modifications to the homeowner's mortgages for a fee. However, the extent of the services the company provides often is just to simply collect documents, mail them in, and do nothing else. One example of a Kansan that I am helping in this area include a young mother out in Goodland, Kansas, who fell on hard times. She began working with a loan modification through Countrywide Mortgage. She was then contacted by a third-party company, Kirkland Young out of Florida. They convinced her that they were part of a modification and associated, we allege, with Countrywide. They ended up collecting fees from her and that were totally unnecessary to the work she was doing with Countrywide. And at the end of the day, she ended up paying thousands of dollars of fees to this company, and they did, we allege, nothing for her. The 3 defendants we brought cases against for loan modification scams are Kirkland Young in Florida, which I mentioned, ABS Safeco in Georgia, and Helping Hands Support Services, a company out of California. Another part of Operation Homestead is our work with an earlier countrywide mortgage settlement. As part of this work, we are contacting certain Kansans who have qualifying countrywide mortgages and offering them educational resources and financial assistance to help them do the best they can to try and stay in their home. These are consumers who were taken advantage of by subprime loans and other deceptive mortgage schemes, and we are working to make sure they have the best opportunity to remain in their homes. The last part of our operation is an educational effort. We're adding significant resources to our website and reaching out to Kansans to educate them about their rights in mortgage foreclosure. In the new mortgage fraud section of the website, Kansans can find information about confusing terms like redemption rights, loan modification, and many other issues on the mortgage foreclosure timeline. As we know, mortgage fraud and mortgage scams have been an increasing problem as we've struggled in these difficult financial times, and this is an effort that the Attorney General's Office is making to work as hard as we can to do our part to keep Kansans in their home. We've always felt here if we can keep, through our efforts, as many Kansans as we can in their homes, we're making a real difference. So that's why I'm pleased to announce this operation on behalf of my office, and thank you for coming today.